Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Hari ni kita orang nak terangkan pasal 5.4 phase diagram. First kita kena tahu S ni adalah solid, ke liquid adalah melting. Liquid to solid adalah freezing. Liquid to gas adalah vaporization. Liquid to gas, gas to liquid adalah condensation. Solid to gas adalah sublimation. Gas to solid adalah reverse of sublimation. So, nama dia adalah deposition. Untuk satu lagi dia punya contoh solid to liquid adalah ice melt. Contoh liquid to solid adalah ice freeze. Contoh liquid to gas adalah vaporization. Contoh dia vaporization adalah bila kita masak air dalam cerek. Tu cerek, dalamnya adalah liquid. So yang keluar tu adalah gas. Itu dia punya proses. Condensation apabila kita ada air sejuk. Ada air sejuk dalam ni, dan kat luar ni adalah water droplet. Fenomena ini ialah condensation. Sublimation ialah apabila dry ice. Contoh dia adalah dry ice. Contoh untuk gas to solid adalah reverse kepada solid to gas. Okay, next adalah phase diagram for CO2, iaitu carbon dioxide. Okay, function kita buat phase diagram ni adalah untuk describe the stable phases and phases changes of substance as a function of temperature and pressure. Okay, itu function kita buat phase diagram. So, apabila kita lukis phase diagram untuk CO2, contoh bentuk dia macam ni, kemudian macam ni, kemudian macam ni. Kita label A, B, C. Kita juga label solid, liquid, dan sini adalah vapor ataupun gas. Sini X. Okay. Kat sini adalah pressure untuk Y axis. Sini adalah X axis. X axis kita akan label dia temperature. Okay. Kemudian kita akan label 1 atm kat sini. Kita akan label 5.2 atm. Kemudian daripada solid, sini adalah solid phase, liquid phase, gas phase. Apabila solid ke liquid, liquid ke solid, liquid ke gas. Okey, solid ke liquid, proses dia adalah melting. Liquid ke solid, proses dia adalah freezing. Dan liquid ke gas adalah proses dia, liquid ke gas, vaporization. Dari situ kita tahu sini adalah curve B ni adalah melting point. Curve yang sini adalah boiling point. Okay, itu saja untuk phase diagram for CO2. Okay, next kita akan determine critical point dengan triple point. Okay, dekat sini semua curve bertemu. So, kita define dia adalah triple point. Kenapa triple point? Sebab apa? 3 curve ni bertemu kat sini. Okey. Kalau untuk determine apa dia tadi? Untuk determine the critical point. Untuk determine the critical point kat sini. Kenapa kat sini? Sebab dia adalah hujung curve. Sini adalah critical point. Point. Critical point. Okay. Untuk menjawab soalan tutor nombor 3, define critical point and triple point. Okay. Inilah adalah critical point. Sini adalah triple point. Okay, itu saja. Next kita akan belajar pasal phase diagram of water. Water. Tu H2O. Okay. Phase diagram dia agak berbeza pada CO2. First kita lukis curve dulu, macam kita buat kat CO2 tadi. Curve kat A macam biasa, curve kat C macam biasa, kita label dulu A, C. Curve kat B ni dia ke atas sikit. Okey. Dan kita lukis axis dia. Axis dia. Macam biasa, sini adalah pressure. Sini adalah temperature. Okay. So kita label dia punya phase. Sini adalah solid, sini adalah liquid, sini adalah vapor, iaitu gas. Dan kita label dia punya ATM. ATM itu pressure. Okay, ATM dia kat sini. Kita label 0.006 ATM. Satu ATM dia kat sini. Okay. So dari situ kita tahu sini adalah dia punya triple point. Sini adalah critical point. Critical point. Okay. Kalau kita tengok phase diagram of water dengan CO2 berbeza sedikit dekat dia punya curve B. Ni adalah H2O punya curve B, sini adalah CO2 punya curve B. Okay. Kenapa curve B untuk H2O dia ke belakang? Itu disebabkan oleh anomalous behavior of water of H2O. Anomalous behavior of water ni disebabkan oleh apabila dia punya pressure semakin tinggi, dia punya temperature semakin rendah. Semakin rendah. Dekat phase diagram ni pun kita boleh tengok dia punya sebab dia apabila pressure tinggi, dia punya temperature makin rendah. Sebab tu adalah anomalous behavior of water. Ada satu lagi sebab. Sebab dia adalah water is denser than ice.
For my friend. Okay, let's continue with our topic today. We now we'll discuss about the phase diagram. Okay, let's go to the next question. Question 3. For A, it state define the critical point and triple point. Okay, beri maksud critical point dan triple point. Okay, critical point. Okay, critical point. This that's mean the condition of a temperature and pressure. Temperature and pressure above which is impossible liquefy the substance in its gaseous state, and however great the pressure applied. Okay, so it's a graph. So we'll see the graph. Okay, for every phase diagram, we will see for how to define the critical point. So critical point is here and here. So easy to us to know it here and here. So that is a critical point where the temperature and pressure above it is impossible to liquefy the substance. The substance here is H2O. It is gases. Okay, that is a critical point. Okay, next we move to a triple point. Okay, triple point state the pressure and temperature. At condition where of temperature and pressure at which all three phase, solid, liquid, and vapor, that's gases, substance coexist in equilibrium. That's mean at here triple point, it makes the solid and liquid and vapor. So di sini di mana proses di mana solid, liquid dan gas ni ingin bertukar sama ada ke gas, liquid ataupun solid. Okey, itu triple point. Okey, seterusnya kita beralih kepada soalan yang seterusnya. Okay, the next question ask to us about substance X. Okay, substance X has its triple point at 18 Celsius, triple point at 18 Celsius and 0.5 atm. So for this question, first we need to keluarkan segala poin-poin yang ada di dalam soalan. Okay, so instead the normal melting point and the boiling point are 20 Celsius and 300 Celsius. That means melting point here is 20 Celsius and the boiling point here is 300 Celsius. Ooh, so hot. Okay, now we will sketch the phase diagram. So I will use the black color for the axis. So first, in phase diagram we need have a pressure and temperature. So for temperature is Celsius and pressure is atm. So instead okay, first we use 1 atm for a standard pressure. Okay, so the red color will show you about the graph, the line of the graph. So yeah, for the substance X. So here, so instead that the triple point at 0.5. So it means the under 1 atm, under 1 atm. So it means here. So triple point, the triple point for this graph is here. Here. So instead the melting point is 20 Celsius. Let's say 20 Celsius is here, and boiling point at 300 Celsius is here. 300 Celsius here. So melting point 20. So melting point 20. Okay. So we go to the boiling point first. Yeah, here you see. So the boiling point and the melting point here. That is a graph for this question. So here for the triple point at 18 Celsius. So this is a graph for this question. Okay, so now I will sekarang saya perlu nyatakan di mana gas, liquid ataupun solid. Here is solid. This is a liquid. This is a vapor. Where is gas? So from here you see where is solid change to liquid, liquid change to solid, liquid to vapor, and vapor
Selamat
to
sejahtera.
liquid.
Now, let's go to the tutorial question for number 2A. So, the first question, it asks about name the point A and B. Where is the point A? This is the point A, and this is the point B. So, the answer is the point A is actually the A and C is the critical point. Critical point, or the other name is boiling point. So, when it asks what is the point A, so we write it about this is critical point. And B, what is B? B is triple point. So this is the answer, boiling point and triple point. So let's go to the next question. Explain the physical properties of water at point A and point B. So the point A is the boiling point. Boiling point of water at different pressure. Boiling point happen when liquid to gas. So the physical property of A is in gases. You know, in gases. So for the physical property of B is triple point. Triple point, in the triple point, water, ice and water vapor are in equilibrium. So this is the answer. Break it together. So physical of A point is gases, and B is triple point. In the triple point, water, ice, water vapor are in equilibrium. So let's go to the next question. Which curve represents the equilibrium between ice and water vapor? So the question asks about the equilibrium between ice and water. Okay, for the question C, which curve represents the equilibrium between ice and water vapor? You see, where is the point that show the ice and water vapor? So let's we go and see. So this curve is in the water vapor and also in solid state. So this curve represent the equilibrium between ice and water vapor. You can see from this gas and this solid. So this curve show the correct answer. So for question C, the answer is curve BD show that ice and water vapor at equilibrium.
Okay, now we go on to the question number 2 and D. Question 2D. This question asks, describe the phase change when a sample at point E is heated at constant pressure until point F. E to F. When sample at point E is heated at a constant pressure and when until point F, it change from solid to the liquid phase, where is melting phase. The increase of temperature in the same constant pressure is called isobatric. Okay, now for the question A, state that name the point at which the BC line intersect 1 atm. BC line at 1 atm pressure, here it is intersect. At this intersect, the name of the point is solid and liquid equilibrium point, because they are between solid and liquid. For the question F, the BC line has a negative slope. Explain. For the question F, as stated at the lecture note, is because of anomalous behavior of the water. TB curve, melting point or freezing point, slant to the left. It's slant to the left. If CO2, it will slant to the right. that the melting point is decreased with the pressure. The melting point is decreased with the pressure. The pressure up and the melting point will be decreased. Temperature will be decreased. This is because water. This is also because of the water is denser than ice. The other factor is the ice is easier to melt and higher pressure at the lower melting point and higher pressure.
Don't forget to subscribe our video and like our video at down. Thank you and see you in another time. Bye.